guys, welcome to Unboxing Sensation, and now we're gonna unbox a Lebron 20. We'll unbox this shoes. Its color, I think this is color black, and this is a basketball shoes, and it's really good. It's from Nike Lebron 20. If you're gonna see, it's really nice and comfy for basketball with the gold Nike logo, and you can see the strap and how good is the rubber under. You can run and jump, and the soft cushion inside of the Nike. And this is the other pair of Nike shoes. This is the Lebron 20 Trinity. It really looks good for running and jumping. And there is the inside. The soft cushion is here. When you jump, it's really good at the eyesight, and also it's comfy for running when you love to play basketball. So this is it. Welcome to Unboxing Sensation. Lebron 20 have different colors. They have the green, the stocking stuffer. This is really nice, a humble bug. They have the Lebron 20, the debut, and the Lebron 20 Trinity, and the Lebron 20 purple and gold. This is also nice for if you're a girl, you love purple. This is also great. Basketball shoes are expensive, but it makes your feet comfy in playing your favorite sports, basketball.
Give it to me like.
These are the amazing looks and styles of Lebron 20. Check it out. This is the look of the cushion inside the basketball shoes of Lebron 20. Video, please give me a thumbs up, and please like and share and subscribe.